For those of you who unit test your Android projects like I do, you understand the struggle of what it's like to try to get your coverage metric as close to 100% as possible. Well, there's two techniques that I use to help me with that. The first technique is to use a factory class. In most cases, whenever you want to inject one class into another, you simply use a DI framework like Dagger or Hilt. But in certain circumstances, there's classes that need to have certain arguments in their constructor that simply aren't available whenever it comes time to inject it in your DI framework. That is where I create my own factory class. One common example of this in Android is an intent. I create my own intent factory with a function called newInstance. All I need to do is inject my intent factory, and then I can call newInstance anywhere in my code. The second technique I use is very similar to the first one, except in this case, it's going to be a forwarder. A great example of something that needs a forwarder is any class that has static methods in it. You'll notice that here inside of my forwarder, I have a function which mirrors exactly the function that I'm calling on my real class. Just like my factory, I inject this and then use it anywhere I want inside of my code.